Hello everybody, it's Louis Singh from Singing Farms. I just uncovered my low tunnel. It's drizzling outside, so I figured I might as well take advantage of the free water. And since I have it uncovered, I figured I'd just make a quick video and show you guys what we're looking like. So here on this bed is the kale, and they're planted fairly close to each other, but that's okay. I'm gonna harvest it as baby kale, so that won't be a problem. I harvested some when I got out of work last night. Tastes good, looks good, so no problem there. And on the other side, I got the radishes. On this side of the bed, there's a lot of gaps. The germination rate wasn't the greatest on that side. Some of the plants are kind of on the ground a little bit, just because I uprooted a bunch of baby radishes that were too close to each other. But when we get more over to this side, there's a lot more germination. So yeah, again, we're still in April 25th. The frost warning doesn't end over here until about May 20-something, I believe. So I think we're doing pretty good. Alright, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.